today for the Bitcoin price with DaVinci J15. Guys, get ready for this late emergency video. And when I am saying emergency video, I really mean it. Look at this. Not only that the Bitcoin price broke out and confirmed the breakout here. No, we are having follow through and Bitcoin is creating higher and higher highs. Just right now, we created a 35-month high for Bitcoin. And the question right now is, of course, are we going to hit our price target, which is already so close? I talked about it before. More importantly, what are the price targets DaVinci J15 is right now eyeing? What is his trading strategy? What is his game plan? Where is he going to open the next trade? And what is he expecting right now for Bitcoin in the immediate short term? Also, guys, I'm going to be showing you my trade on Bybit right now here, $150,000 in profit. I am going to take profits much sooner than you think. I will be talking about that. Also, my trade here over on Femex, $210,000 in profit, and the one I just opened recently, which you can see right here, $81,000 in profits. I am going to take even more profits here very, very soon tonight. And if you are standing on the sidelines, don't rush into trades like blindly, but already claim your free bonus here, $610 in the pinned comment. If you click this link after your first deposit, you get $610 for your next free trade completely for free. We want to be talking about all of that, so make sure you watch this video until the very end, where we are going to be revealing also the price targets, and also you sit down, you scroll down and look at this here. Smash up the like buttons to a new all-time high to make Bitcoin hit the new all-time high as well. Also press the subscription button, press the bell and press on all. And with that being said, I want to come once again to the most important question of today. DaVinci J15, how are you doing today, my man?
In the pipe, 5 by 5. Bitcoin's a new all-time high, not all-time, but local high. And we're almost at an all-time high, man. Oh, Chris, are you okay, man? You need some money? Want me to send you some money there? Because you need a new shirt or something.
Stop with that. Now I will see so many people in the comments picking your joke and just saying the same stuff, man. Maybe I'm going to edit it out. Who knows? No, I'm not. So thanks, DaVinci, for joining us today. It is amazing. I'm happy that your shirt is not like all to red. Maybe a neutral color. I really want to know, what is your game plan for Bitcoin? What is your expectations? Because just as you said, we are so close to the all-time high. I made the calculation. We are a 5% pump literally away at the time of recording from the all-time high. This is the moment we were waiting for. So I want to know, DaVinci, what is your expectations for Bitcoin? Do you think there is going to be a massive rejection soon, or are we going to knock it out?
The manipulation from the wealthy people and the institutional players, that they're here to make money. They're moving this price higher. I know you're like, well, I like that kind of manipulation. That's what you're saying, and that's okay. But you know, we know where it always ends, because they need size in order to buy into a market. So where they can get size is when there's a large liquidation event, and so when there's a lot of people selling, they can buy into that, right? And that's what they can do. That's where they can do large size orders, and that's what they're looking for. And so, of course, they're pushing the market here to get that size order. And on top of that, I think if they can get us to the weekend, I really see that all the mom and pops and people who are wondering what's this Bitcoin thing, how's it doing, why is it going crazy, they are going to be able to buy on the weekend, and yeah, they might get their butts handed to them for the next week sometime. So be careful out there, because it's looking like we're about to get a blow off top. And let's move to the charts to show you all that. All right, okay. Let's start with the weekly, and I really think the 20,400 level is the target. That's the target. We could go past it. We could float around it and then come back down, but that seems to be the target area. And then we'll get, if we do this today, which is looking more likely as we go to the week to daily, that, yeah, you know what? 20,400 is right up here. That's a big wick candlestick outside the Bollinger Band. That would be a beautiful candlestick. So that is where I'm going to start hunting a short there. If we do that, that's if we do that, right? But right now, as you can see, Bitcoin has gone off to the races. We can go to the 5-minute. You can see the beautiful thing about Bitcoin is that you can see W's everywhere. WWW for the wins on the 5 minute. Just like you could have like, this is like right here. You could have, this is your breakout level where you could have bought, right? So let me just change the color. This is your buy order, right? And this is your sell order right here, down here. Right at that wick, right? You say, okay, well, that's it. I'm out of the market. Here's another one where this is the sell. This is another buy order right here. You can see that it's drawing it out over and over and again. You try to compare that to Ethereum, you've got nothing. You got bupkis on Ethereum, right? Very little. Ethereum doesn't give you a chance,
Yeah.
right? But Bitcoin, like you just sit there and wait for the W's. Yeah, some of them did fail, but you know the big one, these ones, right? They will take you and get you your profits back really fast. So if you want to trade this to the all-time high, I think you have to stick with the 5 minute and you look for the W's. That's the easiest thing for you to do, and you can actually carry this all the way to the 20,400 or probably even beyond that if the market decides to do so. So yeah, it's gonna be crazy.
That sounds insane. Yeah, I mean, I'm taking profits like all the time. People see that. I started taking profits 2 weeks ago. I closed this trade here just before one of our recordings, the full trade. I took more profits a few days ago. Just 1.5 days ago, I took even more profits. And this night, Da Vinci, I'm gonna be taking profits again. I think this is just the smartest thing to do because, I mean, you said, we can hit the 20,400. We can go even higher. But now is not the time to buy. Now is the time, like for the long term, yes, maybe. But now is not the time to rush into long trades here and hope for like the 30,000 US dollar level. Now is the time to take some profits. But my question to you is, Da Vinci, of course, the Bitcoin is bullish. The all-time high is basically imminent. But what could be the next potential trade here? What would you say would be the next trade where you can say, okay, with a high degree of certainty, this is a successful one? Because now it's probably not smart to buy into a parabola here with a long trade.
Well, there is a short trade coming, but it's going to take a lot of professional work and discipline to pull it off. It's going to be scary. It's going to be hard to pull off because once we get that candle wick style higher, I would bet that it will probably roll over a little bit, wick back up, break the backs of the bears once more, and then come back down. All of a sudden, this big red candle straight down. It will be on the 5 minute. It'll be on the one big candle and just keep going.
On the 1 second chart.
Scary. Yeah, it'll be so scary. You won't believe how fast it comes down. And yeah, we're gonna see it. It's coming. Now, some people are saying that this time's different. We've got the smart money here. We got the smart money in this market.
No.
And like,
it's never different. It's always the same.
Yeah. Institutional players, they go to, what's it called? The bond market and trade on the bond market, and they get crushed too. They make stupid mistakes, and only institutional players are in the bond markets. So, yeah, there's dumb money in the institutional arena. So they're here, and there's dumb money there. So nothing's changed. It's just a different place for them to trade.
Exactly. Thank you so much for shedding some light here on that. I am trying in every single video, especially recently, once we crossed through 16,000, 18,000, to tell the people, please guys, don't freak out, expect a big randle at any time. This is the reason why I'm taking profits and I'm letting the rest rise. But I already took out way more than my initial here on all of these trades because I want to make sure when this time comes that I am happy, and I want to make sure that everyone watching right now is doing the same, because the last people will be the ones who are hurt and punished the most. You do remember, everyone, before I'm going into my next question with Da Vinci, that I have my trades here. This one here over on Bybit, 150,000 US dollars in a profit. I took already more than 60, nearly $70,000 profits. Tonight I'm gonna be taking more profits here. Now is the time for that. This is my other trade over on Femex, and this one is here right now, $80,000 in unrealized, $52,000 in realized profits, and of course I have my very old account here also over there with already, let me see how much that is. I think it was more than 200,000 US dollars in profit. This is the only long-term trade which I'm holding open, but it is not even really recommended on leverage here to go into these long-term trades. But here you can see a 210,000 US dollars in profit. And just to tell you how certain I am about this pullback, one full trade I already took $180,000 in profit just like 2 weeks ago. So please guys, be very, very cautious. And of course, you know, if you are standing on the sidelines, you want to have the bonus. It is in the pinned comment down below. If you click this link, you can get your own account after using this code and making your first deposit. You get $610 for free. But what I would be doing if I was you, I would not rush into a trade. You can leave the bonus on the sidelines and wait until the time comes. And the question right now is, Da Vinci, if this week comes, what would be the next time? What would you think this rejection will go to? The 20-week EMA for the next long trade, the 21, or do you think there will be another buying opportunity before?
Yeah, well, let's bring up that chart first, and then we'll say, because look at this. This is going to be interesting, right? Let's just say we get all the way up to let's see here. Let me just grab this. And we get up to the $20,400, right? A 34% move will bring us back down to 13,000, which is close to where the next move to where just 13,000. Let's see, say 13,300 or something like that, yep, around that area. And the 13 EMA, when we close this candle, will be up at that 13,500 or something like that. Yep. And so that is where I think we're going to see a nice pullback to and be able to purchase. Now, there's no guarantees of that, of course, right? Past performance does not equal the future performance, right? We could see only a 20% pullback. Who knows? I feel sorry for those people who have sold at 16,000, people who sold at 17,000. Yeah, that is a tragedy that we're going a lot higher right now. That if you held it a little bit longer, you could have sold it higher. But you know what? Don't do that next time. Just hold your hold position, right? Don't let go of your hodl position, because that's the worst thing you can do.
Yeah, but that's, I mean, Da Vinci, that's what we're always saying. I really hope that the people listening to that, when we are saying it, there's a trading portfolio, there's a hodling portfolio. The hodling portfolio should be usually the biggest amount of your total portfolio. And the hodling portfolio, it's called a hodling portfolio because you are holding. And there are no profits to be taken in a hodling portfolio. Otherwise, it wouldn't be called like that. And I'm sure the most amount of people here are doing that also, because Bitcoin is something for the long term. We are not buying Bitcoin to for the long-term holding portfolio to just scale in and out on the market. This is our scapegoat. This is our vote against the central banking system. It's our vote for freedom, and we shouldn't just give it away like that, because everyone is very, very happy to buy your Bitcoin whenever there is a small dip coming. So yeah, thank you so much for that, Da Vinci. I also wanted to ask, because now you are back in Chile, you are still working on Pandora's Wallet, you are improving it every single day. I see so many people going completely crazy in your Telegram group. I wanted to know, is there anything you would like to share about that? Any promotion or something like that about Pandora's Wallet the people should hear?
Yeah, right now, there's a lot of people coming into the Pandora's Wallet group. That's a lot more than even when I had the sale going on. I can't believe it, right? Thank you. Everyone who's joined the Pandora's Wallet group. Yeah, it's been great, and we have a lot of great people in there, and NT's sharing his trades. A lot of his trades have been successful, right? He's very happy, and I could show you some of his trades right now. And you can see there's a lot of people just joining in, right? And there's some of NT's trades, so you could see NT's trades as well as my trades, and yeah, you can follow those if you like, right? Of course, there is a risk, right, when you're doing trades, and then you'll also be able to see all the altcoins that I have and access that and be able to purchase the altcoins I'm buying as well. So check it out for 1 month, right, and maybe wait for a sale to get even more months later on down the line, because it is Black Friday coming up, and there will be a lot of sales after Thanksgiving. So
yep. Perfect. PandorasWallet.com. The link is down in the pinned comment down below. If you scroll below the video, you don't only find here this bonus link, you also find Pandora's Wallet link. Just take it, bookmark it, or maybe just subscribe for a month, and you have already the allowance to join that group with all the trades, with DaVinci's portfolio and so on. Guys, it is interesting time. I really wanted to give a big shout out to you. Thank you so much for your continuous support. I mean, all our videos get 40, 50,000 views, like on a daily basis, sometimes uploading 2 per day, 100,000 views. It's crazy, guys. You are the best crypto family out there. And the only reason is, of course, I mean, it is our content, but you are the reason why we are providing that, and you are the reason why YouTube is pushing our videos to the others. You are the reason with your likes, with your comments, with sharing the videos on Telegram, Facebook, WhatsApp, wherever. Thank you so much for that, guys. You are making the algorithm burn, and I am very grateful for that, because without you, I could be just talking to the mirror in my bathroom and it would be just the same impact. So guys, you are the reason why we are waking up every single morning so happy. And yeah, thank you so much for that. I really wanted to say that in the end here. Also, DaVinci, thank you so much for joining us here back, even from Chile. It was amazing with you in Dubai. I know you had a long flight and still you are pulling up here your computer and you are joining us for this episode. I truly appreciate it, and I'm sure everyone else does as well. Do you have anything last to share before we are wrapping it up for today?
Always play from a position of strength and don't get wrecked, people.
Do not get wrecked, guys. I mean, today it is more relevant than ever, for sure. We are going parabolic. Every parabolic curve, everything which goes vertical, everything which goes up in a straight line has to end at any point of time. Make sure you remember that. Thank you so much for that, and thank you so much for joining our episode. We will see each other very soon at the next one of MMCrypto. And as always, guys, click the MMCrypto subscription box, but more importantly, the DaVinci J15 subscription box right there, and also the Bible tutorial, which is popping up somewhere there. And as always, guys, bye-bye.